Hi, welcome back to our channel NewLook. Summers can be so much fun. Basking under the sun, on the beaches, fishing, or simply having fun with friends in the warm and sunny weather. But unfortunately, that undesirable result is visible within a few days. That is a tanned skin. Today I am here to explain you about a home remedy naturally to remove the suntan. So let's get started. To remove the suntan, we have two steps with the natural homemade ingredients. For the first step, you require this red food, tomato, and a basin powder. To start the process, cut the tomato into two equal parts like this. Dip into the basin powder and rub on the areas where you are affected with the suntan. If you have tan for several months, this is a natural home remedy. From the next time, whenever you come from outside from the sun, immediately you try this mask. This will give the instant result. Remove the suntan immediately. Rub for 5 to 10 minutes, clockwise direction and then anti-clockwise. It also helpful to remove the dark marks, lightens those dark marks. And if you have any patches or small holes, it slowly eradicates them also. After massaging, wash with cold water. Yes, in the first step we are done with scrubbing. Now going to the face pack. For the face pack you require rose water, multani mitti, and a sandalwood powder. Now take a neat and clean bowl. Add 2 spoons of multani mitti, one spoon of sandalwood powder, and required amount of rose water for making this paste. Mix well without any wounds. This multani mitti nourishes your skin. Also the sandalwood powder will lighten up your dark skin, removes tan and give you your skin back. Dark tan lines which may be accompanied by itching and burning sensation, sunburns. For all these, this pack is the best remedy for all these problems. Now take a brush, dip into this mixture and apply to the affected area wherever you have dark blemishes, suntan, pimples. This multani mitti does wonders. It is very smooth powder. Also, it gives a soothing sensation while you apply this mask. Apply another coating. Let it sit for 10 minutes and wash with a normal water. If you have more suntan, use this pack 3 to 4 times in a week. Otherwise, you can use this pack only one time in a week regularly to get rid of the suntan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel NewLook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.